Okay, so many used as an adjective, very popular word in the English language. Pretty straightforward. I want to go over it. Now, remember, adjectives can only modify or describe nouns or pronouns. And then as well, many means numerous, forming a large number of. As a matter of fact, many is used for things you can count. So if you can count it, it's probably many. Let's go over a few examples. Many people like pizza. So we can count, right? 10 people like pizza, 20 people like pizza. So because we can count, 10 people like pizza. So literally, if you could count the number of people who like pizza, you're going to use many as opposed to much. Much we're going to go over in a different video. Right now we're going to go over many. I want to make sure that we make this pretty obvious. You could say many buildings are tall in large cities, right? So you could say, 50 buildings are tall in New York City, for example. And then as well, you could obviously use many in the middle of a sentence. It doesn't have to be in the beginning of a sentence. So you could say something like, my best friend always brings many pencils to school. So let's say I'm a student and I got a best friend who always brings many pencils to school. So my best friend always brings many pencils to school. And then you could say, so if you can replace, so a good trick is if you could replace the word many with numbers, right? So you can replace many with 10, right? You can replace many with 50, and then here you can place many with 100. That's a lot of pencils. It's probably at least a couple of those pencil holders. So if you can replace the word many with a number, then you're generally using it correctly. So many people like pizza. Many buildings are tall in large cities. And then my best friend always brings many pencils to school. Hopefully this helps. Thank you very much.